Hello guys, now let's go and see how we can install and download Git. You just simply go here and in the Google just search download Git. In the first site you can download it. You choose your system. We are going with Windows, but all of them are same. And you can use your standard installer from your computer, which one you are going to use, 64-bit or 32-bit. You can find out by prioritizing this PC, and then here you can find that your operation system is which. We go for 64 and then download it. The download is been installed. After downloading it, you just simply wait, then open it. Because this is a crash course, we are not going to cover everything about GitHub. We are just going to learn how to use, install, and done the work. I don't know why it's not opening, because I installed it in the past. Let's just try to open it. Okay, it's going to open. I told you I installed it in the past, I think. This is the problem. No. They are all here. Let me just cancel and make one. You can read the term of usage here. We click next, and install. Then wait a little for it to install. It's a fast installation. It has access denied. Okay, it's not important, but it's installed like this. We already installed it. Git bash. When you install it, you can use git bash or git command from here. I will open it for you. We have it on the desktop if I don't forget. But after installing that like this, everything is created. You just need to open and use it. We are going to do that easily. I don't understand what is happening, but let's just go by Git for now. You can create a repository, I think, by here. Let me just create a repository here. I think, if I'm not wrong, we can create it from here. Okay, it's not important. We install our Git. In the next course, we are going to open it. And next lesson, we are going to open it and do some modification on our Git and Git bash. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comment. And like and subscribe.